Hi, my name is Colleen Adrian. I'm a parent educator and mentor for parents of sensitive kids and teens. And I'm here today to invite you to check out my webinar, How to Connect with Your Rebellious Teen. I'm passionate about helping parents connect with teens and kids of all ages, but especially teens, because it has a reputation as being a difficult phase. And also, I believe that connection is vitally important to reduce rates of anxiety and depression and substance use in our youth and our young adults. So those are primary reasons. It can be really hard to connect with our teen for a number of reasons that I probably don't need to spell out for you, but some of the biggest ones I think is some of their intense emotions, um, and that might be anger, or might sound demanding or irritated, or just their big energy and emotions in general as they try to navigate the teen years, and also their tendency to push us away and to want to be more independent, but also to be taking taking more risks and making riskier decisions when they're at a place where we're not quite sure if they're ready to be doing all of that independent of us. Adults who have a more developed prefrontal cortex. So in the webinar, I've offered some of my best strategies that I have found helpful and that other parents have found helpful for the conflicts and some of the difficult situations that come up during the teen years. And there's some exercises in which you can, answer some questions and reflect on how the information applies. So you can apply the information to your own situation. And there's also some examples. I've also provided some tips for how to manage your own triggers and how to recognize some early signs so that you can recognize when you're getting triggered and step back a little bit if you need to. So I hope you'll check it out and I hope you find it helpful. And as always, I love to hear from you. So if you check it out, feel free to get in touch and let me know how it went. I wish you well on your parenting journey, and thanks for listening.